So I just moved into a new apartment. Don't worry, I'll do it all soon. I'm gonna show you guys around soon. So yeah, I just moved into a new apartment. The cleaners just finished cleaning it, and I'm just basking in the glory. Don't mind me, I'm just very happy because this apartment process, it took more than a lot. It took a lot from me. Time, money, strength, because I don't even know how to. Maybe let me just say that's gonna be a story for another time. But I'm just very happy that I'm in my place now. Like, I'm so freaking happy. I'm just trying to contain it. Is everything new, everything smells so fresh, you can feel that feeling where you can feel like this is a new chapter, this is a new season. Yeah, all of that shit, because that's how I feel. Yeah. Okay. 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 Bye for now. Maybe to an empty apartment tour coming right up. Love everywhere in this house. I love it. So yeah, this mirror here, really, really very, cute. I love how simple it is, and that means I'll not be buying mirror. So yeah, one thing off my checklist. So I like the fact that there's socket here, really nice, cute, and sexy bathroom to sit my fat ass on. Yeah, the windows. I know that the ventilation will be nice. When you're, the smell don't want to kill you. But yeah, another one. Look at how big and cute this sink is. Like, I could fit so many things in here. But yeah, I love it. Then the shower area, real sexy. I love how nice and clean and sexy it is. That's I love it. I hardly do shower routines or shower content, and you guys are about to see me in the showers. Okay, yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just saying a whole lot of it. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is I love the space, my bathroom cute. So the rooms are similar. The rooms are actually the same. This one too is bright, but not as bright as the other space, because this room is here and that side is blocking enough light. But yeah, the rooms are the same. Bathrooms too the same. The only thing is that this bathroom here is not as bright as the other one. It's dark, but yeah, it's still nice. So yeah, that's my empty apartment tour. And yeah, I'm not going to lie, I really love my new space. Like, everything is just, I took my time. Yeah, I took my time to look for a place. I know it really drained me because I had specifications, but I'm so glad I got everything I want. Oh, did I tell you there's a pool and the compound, which I'll be showing you guys later because I can't go down like this. Yeah, so that's my apartment. And stick with me if you want to see the update, the progress of the whole moving and all, which I'll be documenting. And yeah, that's it. Job boy, come. My baby, my baby, my baby, my baby. See? Yummy, yummy. Good morning. So it's a new day, and I actually had my first night here, even if there is nothing here yet, because the movers were able to make it yesterday because of traffic. So today is moving day, so they are bringing my stuff in today, and so I don't really have a plan for what to do today, but I know that today is just for moving my things and maybe arranging them in certain places. Then I'll probably make sure they fix this gas today because I don't know why they are delaying. And also notice that some of the lights are not working. So yeah, those are the two things I need to take note because it must be fixed today. So yeah, like mosquitoes mosquitoes were biting me today so much. I mean, because the cleaner left the windows open while they were cleaning because mosquitoes were like, so I'll need to spray insecticide because this night cannot be the same. I don't want to get sick in this new house. Like, that's not the vibe, but yeah. So yeah, that's all for now. If anything comes up, I'll be sure to let you know. See you guys later. Bye. There we are. Let's say hi to my
Hi guys.
So we have basically almost moved everything and trying to kind of like clean up, arrange some of the kitchen stuff, wash the pots. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I'm filming with my phone. I wanted to play music without speaker. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Yeah, today is the 17th of September. And I just thought to show my face here. I know it's been a while since I vlogged after saying I'm going to be vlogging every day, but yeah, everything has just been crazy. Plus I've been shooting both outdoor and indoor. Today I also have a shoot. So yeah, I've already prepared, I've showered, and I'm feeling all fresh. Just let me just show my face here and say hi to you guys. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me for today's shoots. So yeah, stay tuned and see ya. YouTube, selfie, off day.
Yes, no work today. No work today, so no stress.
Yes. It's a shoot day.
Congratulate you guys because officially you guys have become Jameson official tasters. Tasters, yes. You are now whiskey tasters. Or Jameson. And what's up, people? It's your boy G Dope. We're outside. We're going to where they call the beach again. Aqua, babe. Oh, shout out to my nigga Crown with the drip. Shout out my nigga Bayo. Bayo. Makeup artist. Let it hear one. Shout out to Mark James. Look out. What's the word? It's like abundance somehow.
Hi, let's go.
Let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a
Can you see what? Can you see? Can you see? She's okay in the jungle. Can you see? When I dey hustle, nobody be notice. When I dey hustle, nobody be notice. Now I don't dey get money, they say I don't fly. I don't fly.
forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. Oh, I want this to stay.
So I'm gingered to edit this moving vlog. So let's do this today.
Get away, feels like it's been a freaking